Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. So in this video, I am going to explain about the input function in Python. Input function in Python. See, first of all, what is the purpose of input function and how we use input function? Input function is used to read different types of input while program is running. See, I just want to read a name and print hello so and so person name. How we do that? Simply, I'm giving a one message like a prompt, enter your name. Just enter your name or enter name. That is. Now we have to collect their name. How we can collect their name? Using input by calling the input function, we collect, and whatever you enter using the keyboard, that will come and store into a variable. Suppose I am taking variable name is name itself, just name. The input will collect and store into this name. Now I want to display the name with a message called hello. Suppose system dot, I'm just printing, print here just with a message hello, comma, this name we specify here, nothing but whatever the value they input. So what will be the output here? What will be the output? Simple one. Here just in output it will ask enter name. The print automatically send the control to next line. The cursor is blinking here. You can give any name. Suppose I entered Amar. Then this Amar will go and store into this variable called name. Then the next statement execute and it will show the output is hello Amar. Simple. And here whenever we are using input, instead of specifying the message like this using the print function, this prompt directly you can give here like this, input. The prompt you can specify here directly, just enter name. Then first this message will display and what they entered that we collect into this name variable. Then the same story we are printing using this print, just a message hello comma name. That is. What's the difference here? Instead of writing 3 lines of code, you can simplify into two lines of code. And one more difference is whenever it will ask in output enter name, cursor is not blinking in the next line. Print will send the control to the next line. Now the cursor is blinking on the same line. Here you can give and you will get the output is hello Amar. If you write the code like this and this will be the output. If you write the code like this and this will be the output. Print automatically send the control to the next line, whereas input will keep the control on the cursor on the same line to get the input. This is the simple program and about the input function. Hope you understood. Thank you all.